Hey there, welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. And today we're going to show you how to replace a shower head. Whether you're upgrading to a more luxurious model or simply replacing an old one, this is a straightforward project you can tackle yourself. Let's get started. Step-by-step installation. Step 1. Remove the old shower head. Before we begin, make sure the water supply is turned off. This isn't always necessary, but it's a good precaution to avoid any accidental sprays. Use your adjustable wrench to grip the base of the old shower head. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. If it's stuck, you can apply some penetrating oil to help loosen it up. Wrap a cloth around the base to protect the finish if needed. Step 2. Prepare the shower arm. Clean the threads of the shower arm with a cloth. If there are any mineral deposits, you can use a brush or a bit of vinegar to clean them off. Next, wrap plumber's tape around the threads of the shower arm. This helps create a watertight seal and prevents leaks. Wrap it clockwise so that it doesn't unravel when you screw on the new shower head. Step 3. Install the new shower head. Now it's time to install the new shower head. Screw it onto the shower arm by hand, turning it clockwise. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten it. If necessary, you can use an adjustable wrench to give it an extra turn. Just be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the fittings. Again, use a cloth to protect the finish if needed. Step 4. Test for leaks. Turn the water supply back on and test the new shower head. Check for any leaks around the connections. If you notice any leaks, you might need to tighten the shower head a bit more or add some more plumber's tape. And there you have it. Replacing a shower head is a simple and quick DIY project that can make a big difference in your bathroom experience. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to enjoy your new shower head in no time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.